Hello viewers, welcome back to Mr. Thought. Today, we're starting our alphabetical journey to better health with the letter A. And what better way to start than with a delicious and nutritious fruit, the apple. Why apples? Apples are a miracle food. Here are some amazing benefits: rich in nutrients, packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants to boost your immune system. Heart health, helps lower cholesterol and reduce inflammation. Weight management, low in calories but high in fiber, keeping you full longer. Digestive health, promotes healthy digestion and a healthy gut. Hydration, composed of 86% water, keeping you hydrated. Blood sugar control, low glycemic index, great for managing diabetes. Brain health, antioxidants protect brain cells from oxidative stress. How to enjoy apples: as a quick snack, add to salads, pair with nut butter, blend in smoothies, baked with cinnamon. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Include this wonderful fruit in your daily diet. Stay tuned. Tomorrow, we'll explore health tips starting with the letter B. Like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Thought for more daily health tips and motivation. See you next time.